this is where you're going to open your Forex account. So this is your back private office, and it's fairly simple. All you are going to do is click on the link that says Open Account Now. And that will take you to a page that's going to ask you for your personal information so that you can register your account. So from here, we would put in our information, first name, last name, QGSXU, put in an email address for yourself. They don't spam you, scan you, do anything crazy like that, send you tons and tons of emails, so no worries as it relates to that. They will use this email address to send you your registration with your account number, your password, those kinds of things. And then once you start trading, it will also send you a report at the end of the day of all of the trades that you've entered and closed and what your account balance looks like. So go down after that and put in a phone number for us. And if you are joining us from another country, be sure to include your code, your international code, so that you can make sure that it doesn't give you any errors. And then you will click down where it says, How did you hear about us? Scroll down to Other, please specify. And here you will put Girls Gone Forex's code, which is 1179239. Again, that's 1179239. And that number will associate you with Girls Gone Forex so that we can all be partners and move forward in this wonderful world of learning how to trade Forex. Now, if you are an experienced trader and you are with us for coaching or one of our workshops, then you, of course, could just go ahead and open up your live account. But for most of you, you guys are beginning traders, so we want to walk you through the process of opening a demo account first, and then you will seamlessly open up your live account when you're ready. So click on Demo Account, and you will scroll down, choose USD for your denomination. If, again, you are international and you would prefer euros or British pounds, you're more than welcome to choose that as your denomination. For everyone here in the U.S., please choose USD. You're going to put a check mark in the customer agreement, and you will click Open Account Now. So once, looks like me not putting my real age in there, causing us some issues. That should work. Real age doesn't matter, but you have to be 21 years or older in order to be set up on this particular platform. So the next screen that you will see is your actual registration materials for your Forex account. As you can see, it tells you what your account type is, your account number, your password, what currency that you chose. You will get an email that is sent directly to you from Traders Way with this exact information. So once you receive that, or we can just go directly from the screen that's here in front of you, you're going to look down for the word download, and this is where we're going to be downloading the